Hey there, let me walk you through step by step how to make the simplest Amapiano beat for Tyla in FL Studio. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. First, let's preview the beats to get a feeling of how it sounds like before we break it down. All right, so that's just basically the whole rhythm, right? And let's go into it. So first things first, we're going to start with the drums, and the tempo for this is 116 because typically my piano is usually between 110 to 115, but we can also edge it up a little bit to like 116 or 117 in some cases. So the first thing we started with is this drum pattern. And one thing with Tyla, she likes to keep her drum groove simple, but at the same time, bouncy. So this is how it sounds like. And it was played with this Safi drum kit, which you can get. The link is in the description. It comes with loops, drum rolls, drum fills, and sound effects that will help level up your beats, whether I'm a piano or any Afro genre. So the next that was added was this simple shaker loop. And then we'll play together. Just a classic Amapiano shaker loop to give it, that vibe. And then the next thing that was added was the chord, because the chord is always the foundation for all your melodies. So your chords have to sound good. And this is the progression. I'll show you the plugin I was used to play, but this is the progression. And the key for this project was C major. So and what was used to play it was Sky keys, and this is the preset. You can just simply copy that to follow along. Sky keys, under keys, always danger. A really nice preset, soft synth, and it was layered with this sound. So this is the chord layer. It was played with Lounge Lizard, and then also we have an ambient melody just sitting real sneaky right there, and this is how. And if we were to play just the ambient melody, just real simple and sneaky right there to help fill up space. So the ambient is also behaving like a layer as well. So when we play it together. And then right here we have a guitar melody, also like a chord layer. You can also be a counter because we offsetted some of the notes. And the plugin used to play it is the rotary guitar from Xenology. That is the preset we used to play that. And the processing on there is just Fruity Reverb and Fruity Limiter to control the dynamics. Now from this part of the beats, it's just more and more ambient sound to really give the beats that fullness, that life without sounding too melodic, okay? Because we want to have space, because Tyla typically likes to flex her vocals, do her harmonies, do her backup, so we need to give her that space, and we have that on the ambient right here. You can hear how it has a long decay, right? It has a long decay. When we hit on the piano roll, you see just simple, short, simple notes. You can hear that, and that's the kind of character you want to look for your ambient melodies. They should have that long decay to them. And what we used to play it was Jones the Pad under Analog Lab. Really great sound from this plugin. This plugin has a ton of ambient melodies that sounds unique every time. So it just simply plays that, and then we also have another ambient melody right here. This was from Pure Lo-Fi, but I just simply plays the chord in a strumming format. Dun, dun, dun. You can hear that they all have this ambient character to it, like that background vibe going on there. So it just helps fill up the space. And on there, there's no processing, it's just the sound. It's just a really good sound on its own. We didn't really need to process that. And another ambient melody again is this guy, which comes more in the pre-hook, and we played it with augmented yanks. I can't really pronounce this, but the preset is Windy Day, and this is how it sounds like. So just really great sound, gives that ambient vibe to it. And then we have a simple bell, almost like a crescendo effect, but not that crazy. And then we have that bell melody played again with Sky Keys, the preset About Time. Just to add some, bounce here and there. Again, it's not an ambient melody, but it just adds kind of like a bounce and ear candy sort of, so it doesn't feel like the beat is too straight, is too consistent. You need to add some ear candy here and there to excite the listener. And then we have some 808 bass. Any good 808 pack will have this, but this is from our Liquid R&B drum kit, and this is the 808 we used to play that. Tyla likes to blend in pop sounds and Amapiano, so 808 is not a classic Amapiano sound. It's more of a pop Western sound, so we just simply added that in there to give it that flavor that Tyla likes to, use. And then we have our good old classic log drums. What we used to play that was the classic Fruity DX10, and this is our settings for the log drum. This settings right here is what we used to play our log drum. If you check our website, you see we have some log drum presets. All you have to do is just simply drag and drop, and they give you unique sounds every time. So that's what we played there. Real simple patterns. Tyla usually again likes to keep our log drum patterns quite simple. And then we have a sub bass. And for the sub bass, we play that with GMS, and this is the preset used. Bass 2 MC, that's the preset used. This is it right here, Bass 2 MC. So when we hear it all together, now we have some sound effects and drum rolls, and these are all from the Safi drum kits, like this drum roll, for example. So this drum kit gives you a lot of things to work with, from the one shots to loops to drum rolls, fills, and sound effects. And that's pretty much it, how this beat was put together, real quick and easy. It's a very simple and minimal beat for Tyla, and you can surely add your own ideas on top of this to make it even more original. And this is our song structure: intro, then to verse 1, then to pre-chorus, then to chorus, and just simply repeats all over again till we have the outro. And that's a really simple, straightforward arrangement. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to check out our website, sctutorials.com, for courses, sound kits, and resources that will help you become a much better producer. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Cheers.